This is a clearing that has to do with the matriarchal and patriarchal lineage and any bleed through from this life into this life from any past life or any future lives. So I, Tyson Bannigan, in my holy name, undertake a clearing of the matriarchal, patriarchal, and soul family, star family lineages. For anybody listening to this call now or in the future, we undertake this clearing with the assistance of Divine Mother, Divine Father, and the source of all that is. And we clear all concern throughout all the multidimensional timelines, past, present, and future. And through this lifetime, past lifetimes, and future lifetimes, remove all cords, all trauma, all cord fractures, all toxic emotions, and all emotions that no longer serve us. So that the individual listening to this call is free and clear of any intrusions into the energy field, and in particular the heart chakra, from many and all sources, both known or unknown. And we ask in our holy names that this be granted and that all karma be cleared up. And I declare it so in my holy name, so be it, it is done. Thank you.